Welcome to the Sticky Art channel. In this video I'm going to show step by step how to make your very own granny paper puppet using a downloadable template in the video description below. Step 1, you want to download the template and print it out. Once you have the template printed out, you're going to cut out Granny. You'll want to keep the bat and Granny's right arm together. I modified it in the new template to make it a little bit easier to cut out to make it one piece. I poke holes in the arms and neck. Use a pencil to make the holes a little bit bigger, and then stuck everything together using fuzzy pipe cleaners you can get at your local art store. And there you go, that's how you make a granny paper puppet. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos and templates.